Evada Aircraft Corp. In March 2017, Evada Aircraft will launch its amphibian aircraft Evada Air 4, 2 seats plus 2. Evada Air 4 will be a certified ULM in America that will be able to land on land, water or snow. The Evada Air 4 quality-price ratio will be competitive vis-à-vis its competitors. One of Evada Air 4 competitors has managed to have more than 1,800 orders for its amphibian aircraft with a delivery time to 2020. Evada has the ambition to deliver 1,000 aircrafts in the next 4 years. The purpose of the company Evada Aircraft is the construction of amphibian aircraft, 4 seats. The first step is prototyping. We are currently preparing the prototype of the amphibian, 4 seats. This prototype will be ready by the end of 2016. Then it will be sent to the flight and land test in Michigan in America. Once it receives the necessary certification, we will start the marketing in the American, Canadian, Australian markets and then the European one. Evada Air 4 has the possibility to land on water, land and snow. Evada Air 4 has very interesting flight performances comparing to its competitor. Its takeoff and landing distance could reach 100 meters on land and 120 meters on water. A cruising speed of 2,040 kilometers per hour, a top speed of 2,070 kilometers per hour, and a stall speed of 65 kilometers per hour. It could be a certified light sport aircraft LSA. The aircraft will be equipped with an integral safety parachute with an operating range of 2,000 kilometers. The working team is young and motivated and ensures a professional work nationally and internationally. The fact that we have already produced the Rally and the Century aircrafts and that they are currently commercialized in many countries such as America, France, Italy, Belgium and in about 30 other countries proves the quality of our work. This allows us to develop our notoriety and our professionalism in this field. In this workshop, we produce 2 models of composite aircrafts, the Rally and the Evada model, made from carbon fiber and Kevlar. Actually, we make the stratification, molding, finishing, assembling, testing the aircraft structural pieces and painting.
Donc ainsi في l'atelier نتاعنا زاد هنا نخدموا tout ce qui est finition et peinture.
We are currently producing the prototype of the Evada Air 4 aircraft's pieces by numerical control machine. The fact that these symmetrical pieces are very accurate. At the same time, we make the molding of some pieces that were produced with a numerical control machine, CNC 5-axis. As soon as the prototype piece is ready, the mold of all pieces will be made to move afterwards to the land flying test.